Hello everyone, Chef Eric here and welcome back to our YouTube channel for yet another amazing recipe. And today I'm showing you guys my signature homemade fluffy American pancakes. These are not your typical pancakes that we know and love, but these ones are fluffy and even more delicious. And if you'd like to try something different, something other than just crepes and then thin ones, and you want to try something thick and fluffy, this is the recipe for you. So let's get started.
So we're gonna start by mixing together all of our wet ingredients. So here I have some milk along with either vinegar or lemon juice, whatever you have on hand. Add it in and then give it a really good mix. Let it curdle for about 5 minutes. It will get nice and chunky, and then to that you wanna add in some vegetable oil along with the eggs. Then you wanna add in the flavoring. So here I'm doing some orange zest. You can also do lemon zest or some vanilla or cinnamon, although cinnamon is an iffy flavor and so is vanilla, but if you like that, please go ahead and do that. Give it a good mix, and then you're gonna add in all of our dries. So for our dries, we have some all-purpose flour, baking powder, and sugar. Full recipe will be in the description box down below with all the measurements you need. Then give it a really good mix. And we're not mixing until it's fully incorporated, but just until you don't see any more streaks of flour. If you overmix it and take it until it's smooth, it will be too hard. Now, set that aside, and you can now head on over to the stove. So in a large pan, you're gonna add in a touch of vegetable oil, and then swirl that around. Add in your pancake batter and cook on low heat. Don't be tempted to increase the heat, or if you're in a hurry or whatever, but cooking on low heat. And when bubbles appear over the top, turn it over onto the other side and cook until it's nice and golden brown. Take it out and repeat the rest. You can add a little bit of vegetable oil in between each 2 pancakes. So after you cook 2 pancakes, add more oil and keep going. So yet again, when bubbles appear on the top, flip. 2 rules: low heat and only cook 1 at a time. Don't be tempted to try 2, it will not end in your favor. Now, if you want to try something bougie, be a bit different and add a bit of chocolate in the center, and I start with a bit of batter at the bottom, then add some chocolate in the middle, and then add more batter over the top. And then when bubbles appear over the top, again flip and then cook on each side until it's nice and golden brown. And you're pretty much done. Please do your due diligence and cook them 1 at a time so you have some nice looking pancakes, and be sure to post. Well, I'm sure it'll be worthy to post or whatever. Once they're nice and done, stack them up high and top with whatever you want. Here I did some chocolate along with some fresh strawberries. You can do honey and bananas.
And you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, the full recipe with measurements, descriptions will be available in the description box down below in cups and grams, so you don't miss that out. And I hope make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing content every single Monday.